Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to our fifth day of Writer's Workshop. Today I'm not going to start with a story, but I am excited because what we're going to write about is a lot of fun. So I want you to think about your favorite thing, maybe? No. Anything. I want you to think about anything you want to write about today. You get to choose and decide. It can be about something you love to do. It could be about something you love to eat, someone you love to play with, a place you like to go. Anything you want to write about. Anything in the world. It doesn't even have to be real. So you're going to get your last page that says, "Look at me write." And you're going to think what you want to write about. And then we're going to do that. Okay. So again, we have to put our name on our paper. And where does it go? Does it go on the bottom? No, it goes on the top. Let's sing our song again. Name on your paper. First things first. Where does it go? On top. Good job. Usually, I sing the first part and then you sing the next part, but I'll go ahead and sing the whole thing. Okay. This weekend, I got to go camping with my family, and I love to go camping. It's so nice and peaceful, so I thought that's what I would write about today. Now, you could write about a camping experience if you want to, or you can write about something totally different. It doesn't matter because it's your writing. You're the author today. Okay, we went up into the mountains, so I'm going to first start by drawing the mountains behind us. We were up in the mountains. And there's lots of trees on these mountains, lots of pine trees. And so I'm going to draw some of those. These are all their tree trunks. And then they look kind of like this. They have lots of lines coming down. These are my pine trees. Now, if I were drawing the trees that were at my house, they might not look like this. They might have big poofy leaves because those are different kinds of trees. But these are the kinds of trees that are all over the mountains. And we got to hike around the trees and see the trees. I'm also going to draw some rocks because there's lots of rocks in the mountains. So I'll draw some rocks around. Maybe I'll even draw some bushes because there's bushes. So I'll just draw some bushes. And some of them are kind of yellow. There are yellow bushes. And I didn't get to see one, but I know there's bears in the mountains. So I'm going to draw a bear. I'm glad I didn't get to see one because I probably would have been scared. In fact, where we went, they said you had to put your food in this box that had a special way of opening so bears couldn't get your food. Okay, and when you go camping, usually you have to sleep in a tent. I didn't sleep in a cabin. I had to sleep in a tent on the ground. It's not as comfortable as my bed. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to draw my tent like this, a triangle with that, and it kind of has an opening, and inside is my sleeping bag. I'm going to be laying on the ground. You know what? I think I'm going to draw me in there. There's my head. I'm going to be asleep. Sleeping in my tent. And let's see, we got to draw my car over here with the wheels. Uh-oh, I'm going off the paper, but that's okay. My car was parked over here. It almost looks like an RV. Someone could have been sleeping in there. And then you know what else we had? We got to have a campfire, which is really exciting because you don't always get to have a campfire, but we had to have it in this big, it kind of was this big round pot or stove. So then I'll draw the fire coming out like this. And we got to roast some marshmallows. We had to boil water on it for our breakfast that we made, oatmeal. And we got to cook our hamburgers on it. It was a lot of fun. And there was also a stream that we got to go play in. We didn't get to go fishing, though. I didn't see any fish anyway for the people that were. So I got to draw me camping in the mountains. So let's see. Let's label some of these things. Let's see. Tent. There's a T for tent. Mrs. Arms, I'm going to put an M by me. Let's label the bear. Bear. We could even label mountain. M for mountain. Or trees. Could have a trees. And rocks. And bushes. Ooh, what about fire? What does fire start with? F. Fire. And a creek. That starts with a C. And my car. Sounds like creek. Car. Okay, so there's my picture. Oh, you know what? This is me at nighttime, so I should probably draw the moon. The moon was out this weekend. So I got to draw the moon in the night sky. And there was stars out too. So I'm going to draw stars. I just like to draw an X and then lines through it. So now, does it look like this is at nighttime instead of during the day? I could have probably drawn my moon like a little crescent shape, and then you would have really known it was night. But now we know what time of day it was and that I was outside. So I would like you to go ahead and write about anything you want. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.